This was me at 360 pounds, waking up every day, hating what I saw in the mirror. And now this is also me, 210 pounds, pretty confident, a little bit handsome and narcissistic, but finally feeling like myself again and not hating what I see in the mirror every morning. I wasn't always here. When I was 360 pounds, I felt absolutely broken. I woke up exhausted no matter how much I slept. I tried avoiding planes because I kind of needed 2 seats and I didn't want to use the seatbelt extender. I couldn't really see my dick in the mirror. Like, that's real talk. And I wouldn't take my shirt off at the pool, not even in 1,000-degree weathers, because I fucking hated my body. I skipped every social event known to man. I skipped events. I didn't even end up going to graduation. I just pulled back from life and just sat in the basement all day long, get more and more depressed. I was really scared that I was going to die young. I was scared that I was going to be stuck in this body, in this life, forever. Like, my doctor said I was going to be dead by 24. This kid over here, he tried everything under the sun. Keto, fasting, Weight Watchers, Jenny Craig, Bernstein. That sucked. I wasted hundreds of dollars on fat burner pills, on nonsensical supplements, on ebooks, on PDFs, on these dumbass fitness apps, and nothing worked. Until I finally realized I didn't need another quick fix. I needed a lifestyle that I could actually enjoy. And that is when everything's changed. Now, I know this might sound like a crazy concept, but I just stopped starving myself. And I started eating the foods that I love. Things like pizza and brownies. And I actually started losing weight. Not only that, I only had to work out 3 hours a week. That's it. Nothing crazy. That's literally it. No crazy cardio. Not doing keto and giving up carbs, because that lasted 2 days. And then I dropped 150 pounds. So now I help people like you lose 20, 30, 50, some even over 100 pounds without completely flipping your life around or upside down. And here's exactly how I did it, so you can do it too. First, I created Cheat Meals Without Guilt cookbook because I went to culinary school. Because I've always had a sweet tooth. I've always been a foodie. Because then when I went to culinary school, I figured out how to cook meals that burn fat and build a crap ton of muscle. No more bland chicken, rice, and broccoli until you grow feathers out of your ass. I eat burgers. I eat pizza, I eat s'mores protein cookies every day, and still, I lose weight. Now, the second thing that I do is I follow my fat-burning blueprint, which only requires you to work out 3 hours a week, and it's focused on building muscle. Now, the more muscle that I built, the more fat that I burned, even when I wasn't working out. In step number 3, I follow my lifestyle system that keeps your weight off, or the weight off, for good. There's no need for willpower. There's no discipline contest because I gamified fat loss. I like to focus on turning small daily wins into massive, lasting success, just like Jordan. But you can't really see that. Now, this system works. These are all real people. They're not paid actors, okay? I've helped over 300 people like you watching this video drop 30 plus pounds, some over 100, and keep it off for the rest of their life. In just these pictures alone, there's over 1,000 pounds lost using my 150-pound protocol. Chris lost 30 pounds in 90 days while still having pizza 3-4 times a week with his kids. Mike dropped 35 pounds and ran his first 5K with his son. This system works because I've lifted, I've done it, I know what works, I know what doesn't, and it keeps working and will always work because it's sustainable. Now, if you're watching this right now, and you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, and you're finally ready to take action, and you don't want to continue doing this up and down yo-yo dieting nonsense, and you finally want to lose the weight for good, then I want you to drop a comment below this video with the number 150. Because then I'm going to send you my exact blueprint, my exact protocol, my exact system on how I lost over 150 pounds. Or if you hit the first link in my bio, it will give you instant access. Now let's make this year that you finally win. Enough's enough. Consistency is better than failure. Start yesterday.